keep close social tabs on your competitors. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 16 is to keep close social tabs on your competitors. You must remember that you are not alone in social media marketing. Therefore, be cognizant of the fact that every mechanism or measure you are applying in your bid to woo support from your audience might be the same ideas applied by your competitors. Much worse, your competitors might be applying more effective measures to win the hearts and minds of the same audience you are clobbering with outdated tactics. Therefore, always be sure to keep close tabs on your competitors to know what they are doing to win their audience. Identify their strengths and weaknesses in order to build a strong strategy that will stand out among the competition. Follow them on all their social media platforms, subscribe to their mailing lists, funnel hack them using Russell Brunson's terminology to stay abreast of their most recent tactics. To stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.